Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix invite collaborator option not showing option right there in your Instagram account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. For that purpose, let's go ahead, open our Instagram app, and if we tap on this plus icon over here and choose a post and tap on this next option, again tap on this next and tap on this tag people option, we have this invite collaborators option given, right? So how you can make that appear is, let me show you. Let's go back and go ahead, tap on at this profile icon below, tap on this three horizontal line, go to the settings option, and tap on this privacy option given. So you can see this private account option is actually turned off. So for you to get that collaborator option is that you have to make your account public, because actually a collaborating option is definitely collaborating with others and posting and doing whatever you would like to do there on Instagram, right? For your promotional purpose, actually for your business accounts and stuff. So for that purpose, you'll have to make sure that your private account is turned off. So if I turn my account to private account, I won't be able to have that collaborator option right there. So simply for you to get the invite collaborator option is you will have to update your app once in a while to activate all of the updates regarding all of the new features, and make sure that your account is not private, it's public. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.